Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. Today we're going to show you how to factorize this form of cubics, or how to solve this form of cubics. Okay, without any waste of time, let's get into it. We are solving x cubed. We are solving x cubed minus x squared minus 10x minus 8 equals 0. So a tip here is that you basically considering this to be f of x equals x cubed minus x squared minus 10x minus 8. Okay, so you want to make f of x equals 0, right? You want to make f of x equals 0. So you have to look for values of x that will make this expression to be 0. Let's imagine x equals 1. Let's see. We have 1 cubed minus 1 minus 10 minus 8. This is not equal to 0. Right? This is not equal to 0. Okay? Let me fix this. I'm saying we want to make the values of f of x to be 0, but what is that value of x? Alright? So we see f of 1 is not possible. F of minus 1, let's see. F of minus 1, let's see. It'll be minus 1 plus 10 minus 8. And this equals 0. So a factor of this expression is x plus 1. Alright? So x plus 1 is a factor. Alright? X plus 1 is a factor. Right? So we're going to say, since we're saying x plus 1 is a factor, we can say to solve this, I'm going to show you now. We're going to draw a table. We're going to draw a table of 4 columns. Okay, we're going to draw a table of 4 columns and 3 rows. Okay, 4 columns and 3 rows. Now, in this column, I want you to note the expression we're dealing with, or rather the equation is x cubed minus x squared, oh boy, minus x squared minus 10x minus 8. So in this first row, we're going to put the coefficients here. The coefficient here is 1, here it's minus 1, and here it's minus 10, and then the constant is minus 8. We said x minus 1, or rather x plus 1 is a factor. So this means on f of x, we substitute x equals 1. So I advise you write 1 here. Okay? I advise you write that 1 here. Remember, x equals minus 1. Okay, x equals minus 1. So you write that minus 1 here. Now I will show you how we do this. First and first, this is 0. So you'll be saying 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is minus 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Negative 10 plus 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 1 is 8. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. So these guys here, they represent x squared, x, and a constant. Okay? So what we're saying, we basically are saying x cubed minus x squared minus 10x minus 8 is equal to 0. Is basically x, what is the factor? The factor is x plus 1. And what is this? Here we have 1. So this means we have x squared, and here we have minus 2. It'll be minus 2x, and here we have minus 8. Just like that. Right? Further, we can further simplify this or factorize it. It'll be x plus 1, x minus, let me leave a space, x minus, let me leave a space, and I see it must be 4 and 2. However, this 2 must be positive. Right? I have factorized this. Therefore, now we can solve. What do we have? X equals negative 1 or x equals 4, or x equals 2. We have solved for x. Okay, we have solved for x. So this is it, guys. This is how you solved cubics. Bye bye.